ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends, I, Rajesh Roshan, my unit members, and the management of HMBD welcomes you all for this evening. As you know, this evening is just not an evening for me, it's a very eventful evening. Because Hrithik Roshan is the third generation from our family who's going to join this industry, a beautiful industry. Amisha, Patel and Hrithik Roshan have both worked very hard in the film, and I hope they accepted, because their acceptance will be my victory. As you know, filmmaking is a teamwork, and I thank all my technicians, my unit members, my other artists who worked in the film, my distributors, and HMV for supporting me. Thank you.